Patnaik of class 10. My thoughts about Dandi March and its importance in freedom struggle of India. In a general way, you can shake the world. Gandhi's Salt Satyagraha has been listed among top 10 most influential protests in the world by Time magazine. The non-violent Dandi March had shaken the roots of the British Empire in India. Dandi March is one of the most historical and significant movements in the history of Indian freedom struggle that began on 12th March 1930, headed by father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji saw salt as a symbol to unite India. In 1930, he wrote a letter to Lord Irwin demanding 11 things. One of them was the abolition of the salt tax, which Gandhiji saw as one of the most oppressive things done by the colonial government. The British government later denied it, but later Gandhiji along with his 78 trustees, embarked on a 24-day trek from near Sabarmati Ashram near Ahmedabad to Dandi to produce salt from seawater and not to pay tax and to protest against the British salt monopoly. In this movement, several people joined and nearly 60,000 people were arrested by the British police. At last, on 6th April 1930, Mahatma Gandhi violated the salt law by making salt by boiling seawater. Prior to his arrest, Mahatma Gandhi has clearly stated that Swaraj cannot be sustained without sacrifice. Later, he got arrested. But this non-civil disobedience movement had led the path for another civil disobedience movement up to 1934, and the non-cooperation movement that it had significantly contributed towards the country's independence in 1947, 15th August. Apart from country's independence, the Dandi March had its own significance in teaching us lessons like making right decisions in difficult times and the importance of Swaraj and self-sacrifice. At last, I would like to conclude, though Dandi March is a non-violent civil disobedience resistance, but it has all the potential that it fought and protested against the tyrannical power of the colonial rule without any weapon use or causing any violence or corruption. Thank you and have a nice day.